Can a gurgling toilet be a sign of bigger plumbing issues?
Hello and welcome to today's video where we are going to explore an intriguing but potentially troublesome phenomenon, a gurgling toilet. You might have heard these odd sounds from your bathroom and wondered, is this something to worry about? We're going to find out if these gurgles are harmless or indicative of serious plumbing issues.
What causes a gurgling toilet?
So, first off, let's discuss what exactly is causing your toilet to gurgle. When your toilet gurgles, it's essentially a sign of an airflow issue in your plumbing system. The noises are created by air bubbles rising up through the water in the toilet bowl. The root of the problem is often a blockage or obstruction somewhere in your plumbing, restricting proper ventilation.
Is a gurgling toilet a warning sign?
Now, the big question, is a gurgling toilet a warning sign? Well, yes, it can be. Although a single gurgling incident may not mean trouble, regular or persistent gurgling often signals bigger plumbing issues. This could range from blocked vents, buildup in your pipes, or even more significant issues like problems with your sewer line. Ignoring these signs could lead to issues such as slow drainage, sewage backup, or worse.
What can I do about a gurgling toilet?
If your toilet is making these noises, you may be able to handle some cases on your own. Simple solutions like using a plunger can often dislodge minor clogs. In other cases, you might need to clean out the vent stack, which is usually located on your roof and can become blocked with leaves or other debris. But remember, if you're unsure or if the problem persists, always seek professional help. It's better to catch and address these issues early than face expensive repairs down the line. Thank you for joining us today in decoding the mystery of the gurgling toilet. To recap, while an occasional gurgle might be nothing, persistent or frequent gurgling can indeed be a sign of serious plumbing problems. Don't hesitate to take action or call a professional if needed. Your home's health is worth it. We hope this video was informative and useful. Stay tuned for more discussions on home maintenance and troubleshooting.